Hey guys, and welcome back to EQ Planes, and today I thought I'd like to showcase a model generously gifted to both me and my brother from Westjet Cargo of their 737-800 BCF. Without further ado, let's open up the box and take a closer look at the model inside.
This is a Skymarks model, but definitely a fair bit different from the kind you would usually see in airport stores. It's come not only in a greater size than most Skymarks models normally do, but with rolling landing gear and just generally a higher quality build. This registration, Charlie Foxtrot Juliet Whiskey Sierra, is the registration of the 737-800 that I was fortunate enough to be invited to walk around just a couple days ago with WestJet. Definitely glad to have this registration in particular, as I believe this was also the registration that was first delivered to them back in 2022. Taking a look at the details on the model itself, you have your proudly Canadian sticker at the front with large billboard WestJet Cargo titles with the in partnership with GTA right below it. Towards the back, like we said, we have that registration and the beautiful tail on the WestJet new livery. Definitely like how the WestJet colors look on the 737-800, so definitely looking forward to seeing some passenger 737-800s in the new livery, along with their 737-700s and Q400s as well. It will definitely look incredibly nice next to my 1-to-100 A350, which I did receive from Airbus wearing the livery that me and my brother helped to design. So definitely looking forward to seeing it next to that. We'll have a video coming on that model sometime soon here. But just for reference here, you can see a 1-to-400 model of the WestJet Cargo 737-800, which you typically see in my airport updates. And yeah, there's no comparison. It's definitely a much nicer model. Overall, looking forward to adding this very special model to my fleet, and a big thank you to WestJet for not only inviting us to their show and shine event to walk around the aircraft, but also for the model itself, and along with the other goodies that came in the bag with it. Anyways, I'd like to thank you guys for watching, and hope to see you guys back next time.